Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to prevent clothes from shrinking in the washing machine. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I will be going over 5 easy things that you can do, and these 5 things will help you prevent your clothes from shrinking while you are washing them in the washing machine. I'm going to get straight into the video. I'm not going to beat around the bush. We're going to start off with number 1. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so pay attention, take notes, and take action, and hopefully you can prevent your clothes from shrinking when they are being washed in the washing machine. All right, without further ado, starting off with number 1. Number 1 is the following. Number 1 is wash them in cold water. So if your washing machine has the ability for you to select the temperature, you want to select cold water. Washing them in cold water will make it more likely for them to not shrink. It will make it less likely for them to shrink. So you will increase the likelihood of them staying the same size, and you will decrease the likelihood of them shrinking. It will be less likely that they're going to shrink, plain and simple, okay? So yeah, that's what you're looking for. You're looking to prevent them from shrinking. Cold water is the key. Cold water is what you have to do. All you have to remember is cold water. So just remember cold as the temperature, and cold water is what you got to use, okay? Hot water makes it more likely for them to shrink. Cold water makes it less likely for them to shrink. So once again, just to really reiterate it home because it's super important. And number one is wash in cold water, okay? Remember cold, plain and simple. All right, it's super important. I know I've said it more than enough, so we're moving on, okay? And I've emphasized its importance, okay? Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is use a gentle wash cycle if you can. So on your washing machine, there's likely going to be a knob that allows you to choose the wash cycle. You're going to choose a gentle wash cycle. There are going to be a couple of different options. I'm not going to go into it because every washing machine is going to have different options, but essentially look through the options and look for something that would signify that it would be a gentle wash cycle. Choosing a gentle wash cycle makes it less likely that your clothes are going to shrink, and you can hopefully prevent them from shrinking by doing just that. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is air dry the clothes. Now, I know we're talking about using a washer, but once you're done with the washer, you have to dry them in one way or another. So air drying the clothes is a key way because it allows you to just dry them at regular room temperature, and that makes it really less likely that they're going to shrink. It will really prevent them from shrinking. It is a key factor, honestly, in preventing them from shrinking. So air dry them. It is super duper important to do that. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is if you have to use the dryer, then use low heat. So let's say you have to use the dryer for one reason or another, then you want to use the lowest heat setting that you have on that dryer. On many dryers, there's actually a setting that really has just, it's like air only. It's just like room temperature air. There's not going to be heat in it, and that's the one you want to choose. You want to choose the one that's like literally no heat, just air movement, no heat at all. Or just choose the lowest heat setting that you can choose on the dryer. If you have to use a dryer, choose the lowest heat setting that you have available. You want the coolest air possible if you have to use a dryer. Plain and simple, that will prevent the clothes from shrinking. If you know, and if you have to use a dryer, it'll be your best bet at preventing those clothes from shrinking. Last but not least is number 5 for this video. Number 5 is look at the label instructions on the clothes and use them. So you want to take a look at the actual instructions on the label of the clothing. And those instructions on the label of the clothing are going to tell you some specific things. And if you want to keep the clothes in the best condition possible, prevent them from shrinking, and prevent wear and tear on those clothes as much as possible, then use those instructions on the label with regards to how you're going to care for the clothing. So yeah, just read the label and read the instructions on the label and use the instructions on the label, and that'll give you the best chance at preventing shrinking on the clothing and just preventing wear and tear on the clothing and making the clothing last the longest overall. And that's basically it. That's basically all that I have to say for this video tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.